So today I'm going to do some discovery work. If you're interested in how I apply design thinking into my approach or how I embed AI in my workflow, stay with me. Hello everyone! Today is Easter Monday. I'm working today because there's this flexible bank holiday policy which I can trade the day off later. I have nothing planned today and I would rather work. I'm recently working on this project where we want to reduce phone call to the call center.
So to start my day, I'm doing some call listening. Before I hit play, I go into Claude. I pull in the business pain points, describe the nature of the call, and the things I'm planning to observe. Claude helps me sense check the direction, then refines my note-taking structure. So I'm not just scribbling everything down, just to make sure I'm capturing the right things.
It is 11:30 now and I've listened to about 35 contacts in total. Honestly, I think there is more than enough. So throughout the whole call listening, I've been documenting my notes in the Excel spreadsheet. What I'm going to do now is to export this Excel spreadsheet and then share it into Claude, and now ask Claude to help synthesize the data. And honestly, this is not my favorite part of the job. So I'm really glad that Claude can help me do this.
Now I'm just reading through the report.
Claude is amazing. It just gave me exactly what I need after one prompt. I used to chat with ChatGPT a lot, but it's probably take me like 4 or 5 refinement chats to get into this level. Obviously, I can't show you exactly what it is, but I can tell the gist. So it actually showed me the synthesis of the 5 themes that emerged from my notes. Under each theme, it just told me like what the problem is and then how agents respond to it. A quote from the customer will show me some data, how many calls are from the same member, the average handling time. There are some hypotheses on what could have been done to reduce these contacts, and those hypotheses are really valid. What I'm going to do next is to use everything here and then put it into the deck and then present it to a senior stakeholder.
I almost forgot about the time. I'm grabbing a quick lunch because I've got a self-defense class. You didn't hear me wrong. I live in London, so just in case. This is also why I started early and I'm planning to finish late. I'm heading to the gym now. The class was pretty interesting. To sum up, if you ever need to defend yourself, just scream stopped and run. Solid tips. Okay, so back to work. I'm now using the reports from Claude to frame the presentation for stakeholders. I'm thinking about what they actually cares and what I need from them. Do I need resources, more time, alignment from other teams, or just an approval? I like working somewhere with people around, like a gym, a coffee shop, anywhere with a bit of energy. It's time to head home and wrap things up.
Okay, I'm back. It's so hot today. So my slides are basically ready and I have done on Miro. So what I'm going to do now is to copy everything. If you're using Mac, you can do Shift Command C and then copy to Claude. You can just put Command V and then they will generate the screenshot so that you don't need to export and import the image again. I'm going to ask Claude 2 questions. The first one, just imagine you have completely no idea what's happening. Is there anything I should expand or explain a bit more? And the second thing I'm going to ask is just imagine you are stakeholder ABC, which is literally the stakeholders I'm going to present to. Is there any potential questions or challenge they might have so that I can prepare for the meeting a bit more? So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. It's 7 p.m. and it's still bright outside. To my London friends, we have successfully made it through the misery. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this up because I'm going to read Project Hail Mary. I originally go watch the movie and it's exceptionally good and I love Ryan Gosling. He's the best. So if you haven't watched it, go watch it. You're gonna love it. If you have any questions or any topics you'd like to see more, please let me know in the comment sections. Otherwise, I have a few more Day in the Life series. You can just go check it out. And don't forget to subscribe me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!